Welcome! Allow me to be your guide through this promo. In the next few moments, we'll show you how you can make a steady income through our system online. But first, let's evaluate this particular moment. We have this video because we have a system that can make you money online, and you are watching this video because you are looking to make money. It's as simple as that. We won't try to guess why you are watching this video by showing you people worrying about bills, mortgage, and whatnot. We're not here to show you fancy and comforting pictures just so that you can be convinced that our system is the best. And we definitely won't tell you that by using our system, you will make money without any effort. At least not yet. Why? Because all these claims are bogus. In theory, yes, it could be possible, but in practice, highly improbable. In fact, if you have tried anything online by now, you will have realized that it does require some work, and sometimes even much work. But don't despair, because by watching this video, you're taking the first step into making money with a one-time effort. Our system is a forced 10x4 matrix. If you don't know what this means, don't worry, we'll explain it to you. Here is some important info about our system. When you join, you'll get access to the highly guarded secrets of millionaires through our power-packed package. 3,000 plus of the hottest money-making secrets ever produced. Our system is priced at a recurring $9.95 monthly payment.